So I got the full UK travel plug kit from TESSAN. In this video, I'm gonna go over some of my favorite features of this. There's gonna be two of them. First is the amount of outlets you get. So you get a full outlet on the front, gonna be one on each side, two of a smaller one with just the two prongs in it. And then on the top here, you're gonna get two USB ports and a Lightning-C charger. So you should be able to charge everything that you need right on here. Like I said, three outlets, two USB chargers, and a Lightning-C port. And now the second thing I like about it is how easy it is to use. So just pick whatever type you need. They're going to give you all three, and all you have to do, literally just go right on here. They're just going to slide into place. So just line up them, pop it on, hear a little bit of a click, and you're good to go. And there's a video going in the corner too if you want to see this a little bit closer, but that's really all it is to it. So whatever one you need, slide it on, pop it in, and you're good to start using it. So this is easy to use, does its job exactly as it should. I love that they have multiple outlets on it. So you can charge, obviously, you probably got a phone, laptop, a couple of different devices that you want to charge at once. So you can do that with this. So super happy with this. Give it 2 thumbs up.